First of all, starting with the great name of Allah, who is the most merciful and almighty. My name is Eman Aleena from class 9 and my school name is Sword Angel Academy. And today the topic of my presentation is Rutherford atomic model. After the discovery of electrons, protons and neutrons, Rutherford performed an experiment called gold foil. Why did he name his experiment gold foil? Because he used gold foil in his experiment. Why did he propose this atomic model? Why did he perform this experiment and what its purpose was? The reason for this was that how positive and negative charges can coexist in an atom. As we know that nucleus contains protons and neutrons. Protons have positive charge and neutrons have no charge. It means that charge on the nucleus is neutral. Charge on the nucleus is positive, while electrons revolve around the nucleus in their specific shells or orbits. It means that charge on the shell is negative. So Rutherford wanted to conclude that how these positive and negative charges can coexist in an atom. Now let's come to the atomic model. Rutherford took a gold foil whose thickness was 0.0004 centimeter. He takes such a smaller thickness of gold foil so that he can bombard alpha particles. Now what is alpha particles? There are elements in nature that are very radioactive. The elements in the periodic table whose atomic number is greater than 82 all are radioactive elements. Radioactive elements mean these are extremely unstable elements. They emit alpha particles or beta particles all the time, and in the result of this emission radioactive elements are degenerate and decomposed, and in the result new elements are formed. So in the atomic model of Rutherford, radioactive elements were polonium and radium. Rutherford obtained alpha particles from both of these radioactive elements. When he bombarded alpha particles on the gold foil, he noticed some observation. The first observation was the majority of the particle passed exactly the straight line. The total number of radioactive elements were 20,000 and 19,990 particles passed exactly the straight line, while 8 particles deflect at small angle and only 2 particles were rebounded at their original way. Those were his observation, and along with the observation there were results too. The first one result is the majority of the particles pass exactly the straight line, which means that the total volume of the atom is empty. Alpha particles are passing through the straight line. They are not colliding with anything to stop their movement. It means that the total volume of the